Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you two cool tools and one extra way that I will show you if you stay until the end of the video of how you can spy on advertisements on Facebook. Yes, you can choose ads that are running for affiliate networks like ClickBank, Max Bounty. You can specify with the tools I'm going to show you how the other affiliates are running their ads, and you can spy on their copywriting, you can spy on their headlines, on their descriptions, on also on their call to actions. It's a very good tool. The only thing that because it's free, it's limited. However, if you decide to pay extra like $9 a month, they will give you access to all of the tools that they give you. Yes, now before you jump into the video and I show you the tool that is on the screen, make sure to stay until the end, and if you want more content like this and more value, please hit the subscribe button and also make sure to hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. Yes, now without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Let's actually get into the video. Yes, so the first tool is called BigSpy. Yes, BigSpy is a social media spy tool that spies advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, AdMob, Twitter, Pinterest, and Yahoo. Yes, now generally spy tools include push ads, native ads, Google PPC, meaning Google Ads, and social media. Yes, generally what spy tools do, for example, Adplexity, which is very expensive, it will divide its tools on the traffic source. Yes, but they will charge you a different amount, and for they created a specific tool for a specific traffic source. So for every specific tool, for let's say you want to spy push ads, you will have to pay for the push ads tool separately to the, for example, push native tool, or if you want to search on ads on Facebook, separately to the Facebook push, separately to the Facebook spy tool, advertisement tool. Yes, so in this case, a good thing about BigSpy is that they do not charge a lot. They even give you a free version where they limit your searches to 10 searches, 10 queries daily, and if you have the basic, you can do 25 queries daily. This is a lot. This is a lot. You won't need, if you're an intense marketer, obviously I would recommend a limited queries daily, but $9 a month, it's cool. It's very extensive. You can do a lot with that, and let me show you how this actually works. Yes, actually I have another spy tool, but it's not a spy tool. It's like I will show you in a minute, but let me first explain you how BigSpy works. Now if you go down, you will see that it will show you some of the copy, and then it will start blurring some of the actual ads that are appearing. So you will have to pay in order to get access to this data, but let me show you what you can actually do. Yes, so you can, the good thing about this is that if you search accurately, you can search for the ads you are looking for without paying a dime. Yes, and you'll actually look for the ads which are most popular and are getting the most traffic. Yes, in this case I want to show you, for example, I want to look for ads that are promoting affiliate products, that are promoting ClickBank products. Yes, actually BigSpy allows you to do that if you go to the affiliate network section here down below, and you click on, for example, you have ClickBank, Max Bounty, Hotmart, Monetize, Affiliate Empire, InSparks, Olymp Trade Affiliate, Bean Partner, and Share a Sale. Yes, these are different affiliate networks. The most I think the ones I use mostly are ClickBank and Max Bounty. And let's go to ClickBank and let's see what the search results actually are. Yes, so as you can see, if we tap into this here, if you hover the mouse over the ad, it will show you the copy. Finally, as you can see, it says, finally, this is how I slash my electric bill up to 77% with the end of this that simple but groundbreaking device. So you can actually copy the, as you can see here, it has like a copy to clipboard thing that you can, it allows you to copy the the copy of the ad. Yes, and you can even watch, this is a video ad. You can even watch the video ad, and you can download the video. Yes, it's very cool, and this video does not have any sound. But if you paid for the $9 version, you can get detailed performance, which will say you for how many days this ad has been running. It will allow you to, well, you can download it as a free version. Here you can see the whole copy, and it shows you the likes, the comments, the reshares, and well, you won't be having the detailed insights, but at least you have the copy, which is the thing that interests you. Now, you can, if you see closely, you can see the total period of the ad. This means for how many days the ad has been running. Yes, for example, this one has been running for 190 days. Actually, before I start recording this video, I actually looked for affiliate products that were promoting by Clickbank, and these are not Clickbank products. They are promoting a course which is not on Clickbank. And yeah, I don't know which is this is promoting a product called Mapify. This is promoting the same course as this one. And let me choose, oh, so this is promoting Clickbank University. Let me click on the ad. So almost every affiliate marketing I know has had the experience of buying affiliate marketing information product, perhaps sending thousands on it, and then discovering it doesn't work. That's why now 6 million clients Clickbank decide to create their own training program, people to rely on. Okay, let me look where this goes. Learn how to achieve online income with Clickbank University. Okay, learn more. So this landing page is very, very ugly. I don't know why they created this landing page, but it's very, very ugly. And this landing page,
hey, it's Justin, and
redirects you to a Clickbank offer, which is Clickbank University. But well, I wouldn't recommend you. This has been running for 190 days, so it means that maybe it's getting some success. If you have the paid version, you could see how the details, how many clicks it got, how it could even show you the conversions. But and you could even see even more advertisements that are promoting Clickbank products. Yes, so BigSpy, it's an all-in-one great tool if you are going to make Facebook ads. They even have also Pinterest ads. Yes, well, the Pinterest to do Pinterest, you'll have to upgrade, but the free version only allows you to use Facebook ads, to spy on Facebook ads. Yes, now let me show you the other way. Yes, to the second way to explore to spy on ads, and this is called Swipeworthy, and the URL is swipe.co, and you'll have all niches: advertising, alcohol, antiques, appliance, business opportunity, and this will search for swipes all over the internet. Yes, it won't search for well, it, as you can see, you can filter by, for example, Facebook ad. It can show you one Facebook ad on the business opportunity niche. Yes, advertorial, business opportunity. So these are advertorials that were in the newspaper. So these are like archived. These are like archives, copyright, archived copies of advertisements of ads that were in the newspaper, that were on, as you can see, it says classic because these are old old adverts. Yes, these are great. But what Swipeworthy really helps you with is to improve your copywriting skills. Yes, it's not aimed to spy, but this is why I showed it last, because it's not like Big Spy, which it won't spy on ads, but it will actually show you the archive they have of the business. For example, this combination I made on the business opportunity niche and as an advertorial. Advertorial is, as you see on the screen, it's like an advertorial, like an article explaining how to make money or how promoting something. Yes, that's the copy style of an advertorial. Yes, let me look for something else, like a call to action. Well, this is like a page. You can view this. If you click on view swipe, you can click on view swipe, and you can see actually how they are making their ads, and they even have annotations. If you look closely, yes, they show you the major attention grabber. So this is what this is what is grabbing the attention of the one reading the article. Here it's showing the urgency, so it means that the article will go down on this time period. Then they have an annotation clearly asking for the action. So go to your inbox and click the confirmation link I just sent you. And pain of missing point. Don't wait. 80% of people who confirm do so in the first 5 minutes, and rest never see my best material. Pain of missing out. So they show you, so what they are showing you is obviously this is for copywriters. This tool is aimed for copywriters who want to improve their copywriting skills. If you're an affiliate marketer, this tool will really help you. This really helped me improve my call to actions and my copy. And as you can see, these annotations are made by for example, the founder of SwipeCo. He even does a summary of the whole advertorial, of the whole sales letter. If you require a subscription information, know that many new subscribers are not going to confirm their email right away. If he told, so this is an email, yes, and what he's saying is that not many people who see your first email are going to see the rest of your email, which is obviously right. Yes, so I really recommend Swipeworthy if you are more like me, who wants to create your own copy and obviously not depend on the others' copy and just always model other people's copy. Because if you think about it, if you not have money to pay on a spy tool, you only will rely on yourself. Yes, and you will have to create your own copy and you will have to test more. But if you have an advantage on copywriting and you know how to do and write good copy, then you are set for success. Yes, hope you like this video. I mentioned that I had a bonus way on how to spy on ads. This is a free way, and this is just by going to facebook.com and just type something like buy now. If you click, and the key takeaway of this is just put call to action keywords on the search bar and go to posts and start searching for people which for advertisements. As you can see, this one is an advertisement. As you can see, discount up to, and you will go to SEO and it will show you all the posts/ads, as you can see, that are saying buy now, or for example, hurry, go buy, or for example, what you can do is put learn more, and you will start seeing, for example, some posts which were ads and some posts are not ads. For example, this one is an advertisement, and you can basically search for a lot of ads this way. Yes, well, this was an extra method. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like this video, please comment in the section below what you think, and obviously like, so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm. Guys, I will be seeing you till next video.